Once a loan application is approved in Possible Finance, the money is usually sent directly to your linked bank account, which means there's no simple cancel button after funding starts. By the end of this, you'll know when you can still stop a Possible Finance loan, what happens if the money has already been sent, and the exact steps to take depending on your situation. First, timing is everything. If your loan is still in the application or review stage inside the Possible Finance app, you may still be able to stop it. That's because the loan hasn't been funded yet. At this stage, the request is still being processed, and cancellation depends on whether the lender has completed approval and disbursement. What this means is simple. Before funding, you still have a chance. After funding, it becomes an active loan agreement. Now, if the loan has already been deposited into your bank account, the situation changes. At that point, you cannot technically cancel the loan. The money has already been issued, and the agreement becomes active immediately. What you can do instead is repay it early or contact Possible Finance support to discuss payoff options or account clarification. Here's the practical step if you're not sure which stage you're in. Open the Possible Finance app and check your loan status screen. If it shows pending or processing, you should immediately contact support through the app and request cancellation before funds are sent. Speed matters here because once OC transfer is completed, reversal is usually not available through the app. If the loan is already funded, the next step is repayment planning. Possible Finance loans are structured with scheduled repayments through your bank account, so you'll want to make sure your account has enough balance before the first withdrawal attempt. If you want to exit early, you can request payoff instructions inside the app or support chat. One important detail most users miss is this. Delaying action increases the chance the loan fully processes, which removes any cancellation window entirely. So here's the breakdown. You can only cancel a Possible Finance loan before it's funded. After funding, it becomes a repayment-only situation. The fastest action is always checking your loan status and contacting support immediately if it hasn't been sent yet. If you're dealing with this right now, your next step is simple. Open the app, check whether the loan is pending or funded, and message Possible Finance support right away if you want to stop it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of loan apps and finance tools that don't explain their own rules clearly.